Hi, it is Nick here from SquareKicker, and I've got a pro tip for you today, and that's how you can change the color of your logo on a different page. Now, why would you use this? Well, let's just say you have a dark colored logo on a background that's also dark, or a background image that's also very dark and you can't see your logo. But on your other pages, you might have a light colored background that you really need to have two different color logos on two different pages in order to actually see your logo. Well, SquareKicker has a tool just for you, and I'm going to show you just how to use it. All right, so let's just check out this side here, and I've got my logo here. And on this site, the logo has like a gradient color background, and I'm just going to show you how to make that black across every logo on my entire site for the header. So click on my site tools and go to header, and inside the header, I'm going to find my logo. In my logo, I'm going to find filter, and here I have a handful of different options to change the color of my logo across my entire site. So I can choose to go to white, which of course just change it to white, which doesn't look good on this background, and I'm going to choose black. So that's going to make it really nice and easy to see, and I don't have to worry about my gradient color, but it also affects every page on my site. But check this out. On mobile, if I head over to mobile, I also have a background here, and I can have a different color logo and different logo in general for my mobile site. But let's just say that I want my background on my mobile site to have a different color as well. And so I'm gonna choose the header background to this dark green. But you'll see that now that my logo here is really hard to see. So if I go back to my logo filter tools again, and on this case, I'm going to choose white. Now I can set my mobile logo on my mobile background to be a different color, because now when I head back up to my desktop, I can still have my light color background and my dark color logo. Super cool. Now, one more cool thing I want to show you is how to change it on a different page. So head over to a different page now, and you can see that this entire page, or this section rather, has a green background that I can't quite see my black logo. And I don't want to have to update my logo color again, because then my home page, of course, is not going to look good. So here's why I want to use the same tool, but in a page. So instead of site, I'm going to go to page this time. Page means whatever changes you do now are going to affect just the page I'm on. And then I head over to my header here, and then of course my logo and my filter options, and then I'm going to choose white. Now you can see here that my logo has changed to white on this page, but if I go back to my home page again, you can see that it's still black. Super exciting tool, super flexible to use. You don't have to worry about updating the background of your color of your section or header, or even your logo every time you want to change the background. You just can use SquareKicker to update that color, and away you go. I hope you had fun looking at this video, and follow along with our YouTube channel by subscribing to see more cool, exciting tips like this.